Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Lexus ES 350. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 121,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, window defogger, and navigation system.